Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, August the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 of them, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one. The binary puzzle is left because I've already solved the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And the news of today, well, today, I've told you earlier, 317 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, yes, against Hamas. And the war is still going on, yes. Alright, enough about the war. This one will be number 9121. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Okay. Now the double ones. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. And then double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Well, now. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box will be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Now. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between us always an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Alright, and now let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So what's the O's? And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the fifth one, then we have 4 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. 4 O's in a row. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Can I compare? This is the question. Oh no. Oh, almost the same. Well, which row or which column can I compare? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 10. Do we have a 10 here? 10. No. Not the same. 10. No. How about here then? With 11. No 11, so I cannot compare this one. How about here? 10. Here, this should be the same. 10, yeah. No, this is not the same. Okay. How about this one then? Oh, 11. Yeah. 10. Not the same. So, how about the columns then? We have here double O, here we have a double O. No, not the same here. What this column then? Double O here. Here we have the double O. Oh, 1100. Yeah, we got you. This column and that column. Alright, let me compare. 00011 empty box. empty box. 11001111. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Not ready. Not finished. So, question is this column of that or that column. Here we have a double O, 1 O. Okay, no, not the same. More double O's here. No. How about the double ones here? Here we have a double O. Yeah. This column and that column. Yeah. Alright. This column and that column. Let me compare. Uh, empty box. 111111110011 empty box. Oh. So we need to switch these digits and that digit. Okay. We have O here. This should be a 1. Oh, one color. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double, here 1, there 1. Finish. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 10 minutes. Well. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.